airbag around your neck. And so when you have an accident, the airbag inflates and protects your head. Now, in order for this invention to actually be practical, the airbag should only inflate when you actually have an accident. So they told us that it's impossible to set off the airbag when you're not having an accident. And
teman-teman boleh loh ketawa gitu ya, boleh menikmati videonya. Nah, nanti ada satu video yang bakal ditunjukin juga, ini lupa dari mana, dari Swiss atau dari Swedia, tapi ada dua yang nomor perempuan yang kemudian menemukan masalah. Kalau naik sepeda kan wajib pakai helm ya, kalau di luar negeri, terutama di Amerika atau di Eropa. Ternyata rambutnya jadi acak-acakan, udah cantik dicatok gitu begini ya pakai helm, ternyata aduh rambutnya jelek lagi nih. Akhirnya mereka menemukan satu invention, satu penemuan. Mereka pakai airbag di sekitar lehernya, jadi nggak ketutupan rambutnya, tetap cantik. Tapi kalau jatuh atau kecelakaan, airbagnya mengembang seperti itu. Jadinya kayak di setir ya, kayak di setir mobil kalau misalnya kita nabrak, gitu, airbagnya langsung mengembang. Gitu. Kalau biasa nggak ada. Cuman kan dia hanya harus boleh mengembang kalau jatuh atau kalau ada kecelakaan. Nah ini mencoba dibuktikan nih kalau misalnya nggak ada kecelakaan, dia akan mengembang sendiri atau enggak. Nah mereka minta hakim untuk mencoba membuktikan ini udah benar atau enggak rancangannya. Gitu.
Here we go.
We asked Hakeem to simulate a bicycle accident.
All right, here we go. Okay, that didn't work.
That really hurt. And other times I get to do, I am a very serious professor, and there's a lot, my work is very dignified, and so sometimes I get to illustrate that as well.
Ya, jadinya hakim ini orangnya ternyata sangat serius. Kerjanya apa yang dia bahas juga sesuatu yang sangat penting seperti itu ya. Tapi ya kadang-kadang dia harus begitu, serius boleh, tapi main-main juga boleh seperti itu. Jadi tidak ada lah yang selalu harus demikian, kita ganti-ganti aja modenya teman-teman ya. Kalau bisa ganti-ganti boleh.
Like that. That was the talking about these giant chickens. So, yeah. So let's talk about the universe.
Dan siap teman-teman untuk ngobrolin alam semesta? Siap ya, very good.
All right. So what we have here is a reproduced timeline of the universe as far as the cosmology science has identified. And what has happened with our universe is that it was born in a very hot, dense, smaller state. And from that time, it's been evolving by expanding. And as it expands, it cools. So we learned in class that matter occurs in different phases. And what distinguishes one phase of matter from another has primarily to do with temperature. It also has to do with pressure, but primarily with temperature. So I know if I have solid water that I call ice, if I heat it, it becomes liquid water. If I heat it even more, it becomes water vapor, steam. If I heat it even more, then the oxygen and hydrogen break apart, the water molecules break apart and become individual oxygen and hydrogen atoms. If I heat it even more, the individual atoms of oxygen and hydrogen will begin to lose their electrons. And at that point, we say it's a plasma. And so first, hydrogen will lose its electron, and then the oxygen atom will become ionized. First, it loses one electron, then two, then three, and this continues until all 8 electrons are free. And if I heat it even more, eventually you can get to a point where you begin to break down the atomic nuclei, where the protons and the neutrons that are bound together in the nucleus of the atoms will break apart, and you have individual protons and neutrons. And if you heat it even